Scalia is said to have died of natural causes. And when talking about Scalia's replacement, one name is pretty close to home. It's California's Attorney General Kamala Harris. But how could her nomination impact California? CBS 13's Macy Jenkins is getting answers tonight.
She can make a difference in so many ways for this country.
A popular force on the California political scene since the 90s. Now the name Kamala Harris is on many shortlists as the next Supreme Court justice. But Republican analyst Mike Madrid says the chance of her nabbing the nomination is very slim.
If it were a purely political play, the president could certainly find people that meet the demographic profile that Kamala Harris meets.
That profile being a liberal woman of color.
For example, Loretta Lynch for Attorney General. Have already been thoroughly vetted, no surprises, no explosions in her personal background.
Marsha Blount is the president of the Brownie Mary Democratic Club in Sacramento County. She says Harris's tough stance on fixing the criminal justice system makes her a top-notch choice for the bench.
I've been listening to her do speeches at the Democratic convention and that kind of stuff for several years, and she's kind of a rock star in the Democratic Party.
But you also have to take into account the fact that she's running for the U.S. Senate.
And in the eyes of many, favored to be the winner. So getting the nomination would mean walking away from the Senate run altogether.
It's not that we would be left with nobody.
Blount says Congresswoman Loretta Sanchez would be a solid alternative to Harris in the Senate race.
I would have preferred to see Kamala get the Senate position. But, you know, if she gets this, that's just all the better.
And Harris is currently a strong contender to fill the Senate seat left by Senator Barbara Boxer, who's retiring. It's still unknown whether Harris will choose to drop out of the race if she's chosen for the Supreme Court nomination.